Okay, hello everyone. I hope you are fine, and I am happy to talk to you again. Well, this lesson will be the second half of the first one, and I am going to explain some other models that we haven't seen, and at the same time, quick revision of what we have seen together. Well, what are models? So we say that models are those little words, for example, can, could, had, better, may, might, and so on and so forth. Fine. So concerning modal auxiliaries are generally, or they generally express speaker's attitudes. What is that? For example, models can express that a speaker feels something is necessary. In the case of mass, when you say you must do something. Or maybe something is advisable in the case of should, when you advise someone. Or permissible or passible. Models also, they do not take a final S, which means they are not conjugated. You can say, I speak, he speaks. So this is concerning verbs, ordinary verbs. But with modal auxiliaries, I can speak, he can speak. So look at the verb here. There is no S. Why? Because this can is a modal, and after it, we need just okay, an infinitive without to. Okay, an infinitive without to. But in the case of have to, we need to here and out to or ota and don't have to. Fine. So this table we last time we studied these models, and now we are going to have a look at these ones. You have just to concentrate. They are very easy. Okay, they are very easy, and some of them we use them without even knowing that they are models. So we have here this one, can. It expresses ability. Okay? It expresses what? It expresses ability. Example, I can ride a bicycle. What does it mean? I can ride a bicycle. It means I am able. Okay? I am able. I can do that. Can't, the opposite, which means unable. I can't ride a horse. I can't ride it. Can and may expresses permission. And here you have to open your eyes and pay attention. We have can here and we have can here, but this one here, it expresses something else, expresses permission. When you want to, for example, or when you want to go out, so you ask your mom for permission and you say, "Can I go out, ma'am?" Okay. Or maybe when your parents say, "You may go when you finish your work." Okay. When you finish your work, then you can go. This is permission. May, can, might, could. So here, concentrate, please. These are repeated. Okay? They are repeated, these ones here. May, can, might, and could. But they express something else. They express possibility. It may rain later. Are we sure it may rain later? No, we are not sure. Why? Because simply there is a possibility to rain and or not to rain. Fine. The last one is shall and expresses suggestion. Shall we see a movie? Yes, why not? Let's see it. Well, now we move to an exercise in which you will do some gaps filling. So fill in the blanks using an appropriate modal verb from the list. You have here may, can, can't, shall, and may not. So here you have to pay attention and see which one goes with which. So when you finish this exercise, pay attention and see. Do you understand? If you understand the lesson, it's fine. Okay? If you explain it to a friend, you are very okay, you are fine. If you understand the lesson but you cannot explain it to someone, okay, it's you are okay, which means you understand this part, or let's say 90% of the lesson. But if you don't understand, don't be sad, just revise and everything will be fine. Okay, that's the end of this lesson. I hope that you get something. Thank you for your attention and see you in another session, inshallah.